use Herschel to heat the space. The IR3s that we're using work really well in the space because it has that industrial heritage. So the IR3 looks really good in the space and works exceptionally well. Easy enough to install. And my thing is reliability. It works when it needs to work and performs the way it's supposed to perform. So that's the key for us. It works really well. Well, I am Anthony, the Managing Director of Lightsource. Lightsource has been around for 14 years doing project lighting, and we moved to space 4 years ago, and we use Herschel to heat the space, which has worked exceptionally well. The IR3s that we're using work really well in the space because it has that industrial heritage, as this was the engine room. It's quite exposed beams and structural things, so the IR3 looks really good in the space and works exceptionally well. So it's always easy enough to install. And my thing is reliability. It works when it needs to work and performs the way it's supposed to perform. So that's the key for us. There's no maintenance. They just work. They've been up here 300 days a year working non-stop, and they've never had a faulty element. Works really well. It's really nice and cozy very quickly, and it works really well. We're very happy with it, especially in this open area where we are in our offices, where it's slightly lower seating. It works exceptionally well. I've been on projects with other types of heaters, infrared heaters that haven't worked and performed correctly, or not as well as these. And then when we had the previous office before we used you, we had blow heaters and things like that, and they just didn't work as well. With your fittings, they build a bit more thermal mass up, help retain the heat, and not too intrusive, which is nice.